Welcome to this Nespresso assistance video on how to use your Nespresso Virtualine Evaluo machine. To enjoy a perfect cup of Nespresso at any time, we recommend that you follow these simple instructions. The quality of water is essential for enhancing the aroma of your coffee, so we suggest that you refill the water tank on a daily basis using fresh drinking water. If the machine has not been in use for more than 9 minutes, it will automatically turn off to reduce energy consumption. Press the button to activate the machine. During the preheating phase, the button gradually lights up for 15 seconds. To prepare a coffee, wait until the steady light. Place a large cup that holds at least 7.77 ounces or 230 milliliters under the coffee outlet if you want a coffee. If you would rather have an espresso, simply lift the cup support and place a fitted cup holding at least 1.35 ounces or 40 milliliters. The cup support has 4 positions and can be temporarily removed to accommodate various cup sizes. Unlock and completely open the machine. Insert a Virtualine capsule with the dome shape facing downwards. Close the machine and lock it by turning the lever left to the lock symbol until the lines in front of the machine head are aligned. Press the button to start. The coffee will automatically stop flowing. During the flow phase, you can stop it at any time by pressing the button. You can manually increase your cup volume by pressing the button again. Press again to stop. After every use, it is important to remove the used Virtualine capsule and not let it remain in the extraction system. Turn the lever to the right and open the machine to automatically eject the capsule. To turn the machine off, press and hold down the button for 3 seconds. To maintain the optimum temperature and quality of your coffee, descale your machine when the light blinks alternately 3 times. We recommend you use the Nespresso descaling solution specifically designed for your machine.